Sometimes when you come to school and you have joined your laptop from home, you'll have issues with your printing because the Papercut icon hasn't loaded. Sometimes you'll see a box that turns up here and says apps not a pointer loaded. So when you see that, you come down to the little hidden icon and check to see if you've got the green Papercut, green letter P, which shows Papercut. If not, we have to search for it. So you come over to the search icon. So it's either click on the magnifying glass or click into the search area and type Papercut. Here's Papercut, and we just go open. Now this is going to load your Papercut, and now you can see it's loaded and waiting for your printing. So if you've sent something through to the printer, the Papercut menu selection box should pop up and ask you to choose your department. If not, just resend your printing, or even better, you can go over to the printer and it will still be sitting there waiting for you to print, but when you go to release it, it will ask you to choose the department you want to put the printing code against. If this does happen to you and you're not certain what to do, just see Russell and he'll quite happily show you how to select your printing and release it that way.